I think everybody's howling at the moon.
Much better.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We made it to the end of 2020. It has been a roller coaster, I tell you what, but I'm just focusing mostly on the positive, the good adventure that I had this year. I'm sure many of you have had awesome adventures too, in spite of the crazy chaos of 2020. Thank you so much for watching this channel. I've enjoyed making content this year. This is gonna wrap up, I guess, season 1 of Deer Visual Diary, and got a lot of good stuff coming up for season 2 here in 2021. So, man, it's just been, it's been a year of a lot of things going through my head. I know it has been for you too. But thank you for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day come and check out this channel. For those of you who click this, I share these videos on Facebook usually, and who knows what not. They don't get a lot of views, but hey, I'm grateful for everybody who actually stops by and checks them out. For the comments below, I've enjoyed talking to a bunch of you. I met some of you this year at the drone event spin down, and it's been awesome. So yeah, I'm not gonna rattle on anymore. 2020, this is it. See you guys in 2021, a year of revival and rebounding. See you then.